normal cam. To run the face recognition, first go to my GitHub page, then download a code to a zip file. Assuming that you have already downloaded a file, I have extracted already mine. In the face recognition folder, we have to create a new folder named images. Okay, then first we have to pre-process the image. We have to import cv2, sys, numpy, and os. We set size is equals to 2. Our classifier will be Haar Cascade frontal default XML. Our image directory, image there, is the folder we created earlier named images. Give a name of a person we have to recognize. For me, I will name it Glenn. This code will generate a folder named Glenn. If it does not exist, we set our image weight and image height to 112 and 92 pixels. Haar Cascade is our classifier. We take the webcam variable as our CV2 video capture. For me, I have my USB camera. I will set this to 2. Then initializing the count, pose, and count max variable. While count is less than count max, in this case I have initialized my count max to 20, which is 20 frames per sample. Read each frame of the webcam, getting the height, the width, and the channels of the frame, flipping the frame, then converting the frame to a grayscale image, then resizing grayscale image, feeding the resized grayscale image to Haar Cascade detect multiscale to detect a face. If face is detected, we will get each coordinates x, y, w, h. We take the variable face to the detected face in a grayscale image with its coordinates, resizing again the detected face. These lines will create bounding box and a name above the bounding box of the detected image. If 112 times 6 is less than 640, the width, or if 92 times 6 is less than 480, the height, we will print face is too small, else we will be saving the detected face to the path we created earlier, incrementing the counts and the pins. If I press the Q button, it will break, displaying this window frame name sampling. Without any delay, let's run this preprocessing.py. I am using Linux, so I will use my terminal to run this. It has already finished generating 20 image samples. Before running this face recognition.py script, let me explain this code to you a little. We need to import cv2, sys, numpy, os, and time for the frames per second measurement. Define our size variable to 2. Our classifier again will be the Haar Cascade frontal default XML. Image there is images folder. We will create list of images, labels, dictionaries of names, and initialize our ID to 0. Looping the image directory and updating names dictionary with the folder names in the images. Then append all the images and labels. Setting our image width and image height to 112 and 92 pixels. Creating numpy array of images and labels. We will take model as our CV2 face LBPH face recognizer. Train the model with images and labels. Then Haar Cascade is our CV2 classifier. For me, I have my USB camera. I will use CV2 capture 2. Entering the while loop, we define our start time equal to time.time. Flipping the frame, converting the frame to a grayscale image, resizing. Then if face is detected, we will get the XYWH coordinates, and taking face as our detected face in grayscale image with its coordinate. Resizing the face, we take prediction variable, we feed the resize face to the model for prediction, creating the bounding box of the face and creating a shaded rectangle above the bounding box. If the confidence is less than 90, we will use CV2 put text to put the predicted names with its confidence above the bounding box of the detected face here in this shaded rectangle. Else we will just print the unknown. Then we will define our end time is equal to time.time. Our FPS is 1 divided by end time minus start time. Then we create a shaded rectangle of black to which we put this CV2 put text for the FPS with a color of yellow. Then showing our frame name with recognition system. If we press the Q button, it will break and release the webcam and CV2 destroy all windows. Let me run this in a terminal. If you are a Windows user, then you can use your CMD. It's just the same. We'll get the directory, cd paste python3 face. Let's fire this up.